This is Marek, CEO of Hustlenomics, and let's break into it. This video is going to be about the worst maintenance issue with my rental property. Yeah, it was when one of the pipes at my rental was stopped up. It was the sewage pipe. It was my what happened was my tenants they called me and they said, "Hey, we're not able to flush anything down." So I'm like, "Okay, cool. Call a plumber." They called the plumber, and the plumber came and he said he wasn't able to fix it. I'm thinking, you're a plumber. You're not able to fix it? Okay, whatever. So then what I did was I called the plumber and I showed up, and the plumber went in, he checked it out, and he said, "Yeah, this is beyond me. I can't fix it." I'm like, two plumbers can't fix this? Are y'all serious? So what I did, I called a third plumbing company, and he came in. He said he couldn't fix it. So this is three plumbers who couldn't fix the issue. And he said he'd have to call the sewage department of his company to come and get my issue handled. By this point, I'm like, are you serious? I'm going to call another plumber and see if they can do it before I have to get you to get the plumber from your sewage department to come to my property. So the fourth plumber came, and once he pulled up, he told me, he's like, "Yeah, man, I can check it out for you, but I'll cost you $400 just to check it out." So I'm like, "Man, you can go on. I'm not paying $400 for you just to check out a problem." So the other guy who said you could get the sewage, uh, he would get the sewage department of his company to come and check it out. That guy finally came, and he said it would cost, what he said, $620 to get my sewage back working. I'm like, well, I can't let my tenants go without working plumbing, so all right, fine. So he climbed up on the roof of the house. He shoved some camera down through it was like a long tubed wire, shoved it down. Then he shoved some kind of long tube down into the property, into the toilet, and it got the toilet back flowing again. So I was grateful for that. But then what he told me next sent my blood pressure through the roof. The man said, "Hey, you know this is gonna happen again." I'm like, "You fixed it. Why is it gonna happen again?" He said, after because he ran the camera down, he said it's gonna happen again because your pipes have cracks and bust in them. And so you're going to need brand new pipes or brand new sewage pipes connecting to the city main line. I'm like, how much is that going to cost? The man, I can't make this up. He said $12,000. I looked him around in the face like, are you serious? He's like, yep, $12,000. I'm like, okay. Man, I went home and I felt so sad that day. Like, it made me think, man, why did I even buy this property? But moving on, I called several other plumbing companies. That's what you do if you get a really high quote. Call other companies, and I got a quote of $8,000, a quote of $6,000, and 6,000 was about the lowest I was gonna get. So I was like, okay. But then one of my friends, he knew a plumber who would do the work himself if I got the digging done. So what I did was I hired this man from, I got this guy from Home Depot, and he and we both dug the hole to get to the sewage. Then the plumber came back out, and I had to pay him to get the materials. And when he came back out again, I had to help him break the pipe that was already in there, break it up, pull it up, throw it to the side. So this whole thing cost about $1,000, and it was about a week's worth of work on my part. I'm breaking this pipe, digging it up, buying new material, helping the plumber put it down, and connecting it to the city main line. So all this was a Herculean effort, getting all this done. But it was $1,000. And would you rather spend $1,000? Or would you rather spend $12,000 and just bust your butt and sweat? I don't know about you, but I'd rather spend $1,000 any day of the week. That's just common sense to me. So that's my worst maintenance issue so far. So I hope y'all have learned something. This is Marek from Hustlenomics signing out. Get stuff done, y'all. Accomplish something great today.